You searched how to buy shares of Bank7 Corp. Bank7 Corp is a regional bank offering consumer and commercial banking services listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BSVN. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To proceed, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BSVN to find Bank7 Corp on NASDAQ. Make sure you select the matching listing to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent market activity. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to confirm this is the Bank7 Corp share. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute later according to your order type, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade executes. The example link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow these same steps.